Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Favor. If it's your first time of coming across my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos. To my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back to support me. You guys are the best. Okay, please guys, please help me to grow. I really appreciate. All right, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can exfoliate your lips. Okay, if you have dry lips, how you can exfoliate your lips so your lips will become very soft. Okay, so look at my lips. My lips is looking dry, so I'm going to exfoliate it in this video. Okay, so that you guys can learn and try it out. All right, so what I'm going to use is sugar. Okay, I'm going to use sugar then with olive oil. Let me show you what I'm going to use. This is my olive oil. So I'm going to make use of sugar and olive oil. All right, so with my brush, this is my toothbrush. So these are the three things I'm going to use to exfoliate my lips. Okay, so keep on watching so that you will learn how to do that, so that you can try it at home. All right, so I have sugar, just small sugar. I just need small sugar. I don't know if you guys can see it here. This is my sugar. Just need small sugar, then small olive oil. No, it's just your lips, and you don't need to store it. Just prepare the one you're going to use at the moment. Then if you still want to exfoliate, let's say the next time, make a new one. Okay, so I'm going to add olive oil, just small olive oil, to mix with it very well. So I'm going to mix it into a paste so that I'll be able to make use of it. So you can use your brush to mix it into a paste. Don't worry. After doing this, you can use hot water to wash your toothbrush. All right. So I've already mixed it into a paste. This is it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead, use it to kind of exfoliate, brush my lips. Okay, in a circular motion. I'm going to use it to exfoliate, to brush gradually, gently, not like this. So I'm going to just use it gently, brush my lips in a circular motion. Okay, watch and see how I'm going to do that. See my lips. Very gentle. Okay. You can still do it, and store it if you want. All right, just make sure that water should not enter it. Okay, let it not come in contact with water. Just this sugar and oil, this olive oil. If you have coconut oil, you can as well use it. All right, so make sure, if you want to make the one that you will store for the next day, make sure that water should not enter it. Okay, just make sure that it will not come in contact with water, because water will definitely spoil it for you. All right, so but I advise you to just make small batch that you can use for the moment. Then if you want to still exfoliate the next day, or maybe 2 or 3 times in a week, you can make a fresh one. All right, so that is it. But if you still want to make in a big batch and store, good for you, but make sure water should not enter it. Make sure the container you're going to use to store it is very dry before storing it. If not, it will spoil. Okay, bacteria will start growing in it, and which you will not want. So let's continue. Gradually exfoliate. with this you are sure of soft lips. Okay, and with time continue using of this, you will definitely brighten your it will definitely brighten your lips. Yes, if you continue using it, you will definitely see changes. Your lips will become very bright and nice. Okay, especially if you have dark lips. Okay, so let's continue. And come closer. You gently scrub for like, let's say, 5 to 10 minutes before you use your wipes to wipe it out. Okay, or use water to just rinse it out. It depends the one you want to make use of. I can tell you my lips is already feeling so soft. I have to tell you, I have dry lips. I used to battle with dry lips. Well, this thing has been helping me. Okay, it has been helping me. Another thing again, if you know that you have dry lips, okay, if you know that you have dry lips, please, you need water. You need to be drinking water. You need to be taking water. Okay, with this thing, this thing I'm showing you now, this lip scrubbing, I'm taking water, eating good and all that. Definitely you will see changes. All right, it's not just about using this alone. You need to be taking water. Okay, take water. Water is good. It will help you whenever you find out that your lips is dry. See, it means that you are dehydrated. All right, you need water. Apart from the fact that you need water, you also need to be scrubbing the lips. All right, to remove the dead cells. Do you understand? Okay, so that's the essence of exfoliating. All right. So at this point, I'm done exfoliating the lips. So I'm going to go ahead to to clean it. I'm going to go ahead to clean it. All right. So keep on watching. Okay, guys, look on my lips. Look at my lips. You can see the changes on my lips. It looks so soft, unlike before when I started this video, and it looks kind of bright okay, to compare to when I started this video. See, see, that's the essence of exfoliating your lips. All right, feeling, I love the feeling and everything. Feels so soft. Like, just guys, try it out and come and comment. Tell me how it turned out, okay? You cannot just be watching without trying it out. There is no harm in trying. Just get sugar, your eatable sugar, and olive oil. Even if you don't have olive oil, you can make use of groundnut oil. Yes, you can make use of what you have in your kitchen. You don't need to break the banks before you can be able to do this. With your sugar and olive oil, if you don't have olive oil, you can make use of groundnut oil. Even if you don't have groundnut oil, you can make use of coconut oil. You can make use of shea butter. Okay, all these oils I've mentioned, you can make use of them. All right, so that is it. So I'm going to go ahead to use my lip gloss on it. I'm going to use my lip gloss to moisturize it there. Ah, I just love the feeling. My lips feel so soft, so beautiful. I just love it. So right, I'm just loving it. Guys, what do you think? Are you guys not seeing this? You see what will happen? Just try it out and come and comment. Try it out first. There is no harm in trying. All right. So guys, thank you for watching up to now. I've come to the end of this video. See you in my next video. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed. Like and share these videos. All right. I love you all. Remain blessed. Bye. See you in my next video.